Hello everyone, hope all is well. Today we will discuss about Microthemer plugin. It's a plugin that will help your WordPress website to style like a pro. So you don't need to be a competent developer. If you have this tool, you can easily customize your CSS files. You can easily customize the design of your website very easily using this plugin. It will customize the styling of any of your WordPress website, and this is the look of a page that can be easily styled with micro tools like Gutenberg blocks and form plugins can help you build your WordPress site, but their rigid formats are pretty limiting. Whether you are looking to make a simple style adjustment that's not on the menu or site-wide changes, there's the way to do more here. Get the flexibility you need to style any WordPress content with a tool that offers a visual interface for designing like a pro. Microthemer is a tool or plugin that will have 150 plus styling options to anything you select on the page. Perfect your responsive design and level up your HTML and CSS knowledge. It is best for developers, freelancers, web designers, and it is such a plugin that is integrated with Elementor, Google Front, WordPress, and WordPress multi-site. As you see that here, this is the interface. We can easily drag and drop and change the style very easily. Microthemer is a WordPress CSS editor plugin that helps site builders at any level design like a pro with point and click editing. With Microthemer styling options, you can match your website to your vision, and there is no control over the design. You can do anything you wish. Choose from modern style like animations, transitions, transforms, filters, flexbox, CSS shapes, CSS grids, to the web design essentials like typography, positions, spacing, sizing, and background. Microthemer CSS grid support allows you to create beautiful content layouts in seconds using drag and drop functionality. For added convenience, you will be able to switch between the visual and code editor. Microthemer takes the pain out of responsive design. Get started with common breakpoints with freedom to customize them to your needs. You can use the responsive tabs or drag the top ruler to check out how your site look on different screen sizes and then fix any potential issues. With these features, you will be able to create pixel perfect layout on mobile. No need to settle for cropped text or strangely large spacing and headings. You can literally style any WordPress content with Microthemer. It does not matter how it was generated. If you can see it, you can style it. So it's compatible with all themes and plugins. Microthemer shows you exactly what's doing and invite beginners to understand CSS and how it relates to HTML. With that, you have full design control with the option to access the codes, empowering you to graduate from beginner to pro. So you can learn the codes from using this tool as well. And if you see that Microthemer, here is Microthemer, and Microthemer is integrated with all the popular builders. So it's working with most of the popular builders, and it's supporting all themes and plugins, so it's a good news actually. And if you want to purchase this product, I have given my link in my description, so you can check this out. And if you see here, there is 60 days money back guarantee. That means you have 2 months on hand. If you are not satisfied between these 2 months, you can easily return the product. And if we come here, you will see that there are a couple of plans here. Plan 1, that is 59 US dollar for one time purchase. Actually, if you purchase this, you have to pay for one time, not monthly. You can use it lifetime. So for plan 1 it's 59 USD, plan 2 118, and plan 3 is $177. So here, first plan 1, you will get all features: one site, 150 plus CSS styling options, and switch between codes like CSS, SAS, JS, and visual editing seamlessly. And if you go for plan 2, all features above included. It's for 3 websites, 150 plus CSS styling options, and switch between codes CSS, SAS, JS, and visual editing seamlessly. And if you go for plan 3, all features above included, unlimited website. It's for unlimited websites, 150 plus CSS styling options, switch between codes like CSS, SAS, JS, and visual editing seamlessly. And there are couple of reviews, lots of reviews, not only couple of reviews, there are lots of reviews. And if you go here, you will see there is 28 reviews, and at present its plan 1 is selling in 59 USD. That means you saving here 53%. And if you have any questions, there are some common questions also. You can see here, as you see that, can I uninstall Microthemer but keep the changes? Of course you can. This is useful if you don't want client to use Microthemer. We provide a simple plugin that only loads Microthemer CSS, or you can copy some codes to your themes function.php file. Can I add content with Microthemer? No. We leave content editing to Gutenberg, Page Builder, and all of the other great WordPress tools. Microthemer is just for styling existing content. So I hope this tutorial helps you, and if you want to purchase the product, you are welcome, because if you are a designer, you can learn it from this tool. You can learn from this tool, and you don't need to be a professional to use this. So you can, using this tool, you can easily design your website like a professional. So hope this will help you. Thank you so much. Bye.